Hello Mama. On the way kami ngayon sa road trip namin papuntang Nippon. Pero guys, ang traffic Friday morning dito papuntang north, grabe. So flex ko sa inyo guys kung gaano ang traffic. So yan ang kagandahan sa aming dinadaanan guys. Ang ganda ng araw, hindi umuulan, hindi mainit, napakaganda. So ngayon guys, punta kami ngayon sa river. Tingnan nyo guys ang trees nila. Di ba nakakatakot? Oh, hala oy. Nakakatakot. So guys, tingnan nyo ang ano nila, ang mga kahoy nila. Ang laki-laki. Wala kaya yung maligno dyan sa loob. Pero papusing-pusing ako dyan guys, pero natatakot pa rin ako kasi baka hilain ako ng maligno. Yan ang first time ako nakarating dyan sa lugar na yon. Ang tinatawag dyan guys ay lugar ng Maryborough. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Mary River. Nag-stop over kami dito. Ayan, ang ganda guys. Tapos yan ang railway train. Yan. Tapos yan, mga fishing boat yan guys. Yan mga fishing boat yan. Tapos, iyan ito yung barrel noon. Yung para yung gera daw noon dito. Dito sila dito inaabangan ang mga Hapon dito para pag umaano sila. Oh, yan.
Because you can't get out. It's, ah!
Yeah.
And that one would be fire and fast.
Yeah.
But this one was slow, but when it fired,
Like long.
oh,
Like
and look, this one,
wide and powerful.
this one's like this flips up and they put the cartridges in here and it fires. Look at the end here.
Yeah.
Worn out, that's how hot it would have got from firing.
Wow. Yeah, I'd love to go to the war museum in Canberra. That'd be really cool. It's like underwater. One visit would be awesome.
So this is the biggest
Gun there.
the biggest, yeah, I know it's a biggest gun, but what is the difference?
They shoot different size things out of the end of it.
Ah, okay.
This is
But
big.
the little ones shoot faster.
Ah,
Large, medium, small. It's
ah,
like Macca's sizes actually.
Like if you try.
ayan, paposing-posing na naman ako sa mga barel. Ang laki-laki ng barel, pwede akong ipasok dyan, tapos igawin akong bala. Kayang-kaya ako ipasok diyang baril na yan, gawin akong bala. At doon ako sa river. Doon ako sa river mapunta. Ay, nako, nakakatawa to dito. So, ito yung garden nila, guys. Tapos, yun ang big trees nila na nakakatakot. Tapos, ayan na. So, ooh, ho, 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 ho. So, yan na ang mga oy, 39 years na pala. 39 years na pala to. Ay, hindi John Carl Benwell, February 5, 1815, 16 March 1853. Yung namatay siya. The civic-minded Henry. Yan ang mga nila. Ito. Oh. When Queen's Park first came into existence as a reserve for a park in 1873. Naku, tagal na pala nito. Hindi ko nabasahin yan, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng nila. Ang ganda. Nakaka-relax. First time akong pumunta dito.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. I wish I knew.
Ang ganda ng park na to. Ayan. Oh.
Sa unang tingin, ako'y nabihag mo.
DCLAs.
Ngiting mapanlinlang, di ko napagtanto.
So guys, we stop over in Childers and we can have some Subway. So it's on late as it's Childers art place, and they have butchers. And they have bottle shop, and look that one. It's a very relaxing town here. Yeah. So this is Childers. Hi guys. Nag-stop over kami dito ngayon sa McPherson Park Street kasi para iwagayway ang aming mga paa. At tingnan niyo guys, maliit na town at iwagayway ang aking mga iwagayway. At saka ipakita ko sa inyo guys ang mga bahay. Tingnan niyo guys. So we pass by Childers now. We have our food already. They have McDonald's over there. And that's the small town of Childers. And look at this. The weather now is getting better. So chill lang guys.